Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and this VIZIO 40-inch D-Series Full HD Smart TV was an excellent choice of TV for us. The 40-inch size made it perfect for the space in our bedroom. The picture quality is just superb, and a bonus feature is the VIZIO Watch Free app with all different genres of programming. And it's really simple to access the app using the remote, along with many other apps. The settings menu even has its own button on the remote. The features of this TV are just so intuitive. I love that the feet provided are just so slender, and the TV itself is sleek and lightweight. We have just been so pleased with this VIZIO Smart TV. We love the picture quality, and that's our point of view.